What's up everyone, welcome back. So today I posted a video, so by the time you're watching this, it's yesterday I posted a video about the TriNova Foam Cannon. Now in that video it didn't get great foam, but I was just reading through the comments, someone posted and said that in order to get the most amount of foam you actually turn the knob on the top to the left instead of the right. So I came over and I looked at it and they are correct. I made a mistake and it shows plus sign to the left. Now, thinking about that, I was looking through my other foam cannons. A lot of them actually say that, but you still go to the right. So I don't know. Let's go ahead and test this now with this cranked all the way to the left and see if it actually makes a difference. Guys, I have my 1969 Ford Fairlane set back up. I have my wash mat all set up now. This wash mat is new. I just got it. It's from Max Shine. It's a new item from them and it's incredible. It comes with a little pump, inflates on the sides. You can reclaim all your water. If you're in an area where you have to reclaim your water, this is a fantastic choice. Or we're getting into the winter months. If you want to start washing your cars indoors and don't have drains, that's the way to do it. So anyways, guys, back to it. I filled up the TriNova Foam Cannon. Exact same amount as I did yesterday of Mr. Pink, and I'm gonna go ahead and test this now with it tightened down all the way to the left instead of the right. Now again guys, this has the original orifice that this unit comes with inside of it right now, so it's a 1.25 I believe. It's definitely not a 1.1. So let's go ahead and test this out. I'm gonna go turn on my pressure washer. Again, using the same pressure washer, the Ryobi 1600, and we're gonna test this out. Okay everyone, I'm all set up. I got my pressure washer back there. Making some noise, but anyways, I have the foam cannon. It's tightened down all the way to the left now instead of the right. Let's go ahead and test this out. Here we go. All right, so still really, really bad. Is it worse? I don't know. Hang on, let's see. Just shaking it up, trying to get a good mixture because it's really thin, not thick foam at all. So I'm testing it out. Yeah, guys, we're still getting extremely thin foam. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down all the way to the right now and test it that way and see if we're getting any difference. All right, so once we get it tightened all the way back down, as I was pulling the trigger, letting it run, and it continually was doing the same until I got to the very end. I tightened it all the way down. Then we got a change. And that change did create more foam. However, it's the same amount of foam that I got in the last video. So it's not great foam. It's good coverage. It's just not fantastic foam. So it's definitely good enough to get the job done. But if you're someone like me who wants to get the maximum amount of foam on the car, get it to cling to the car, cling to the paintwork so it's actually doing its job of the soap being able to break down all the debris and just stuff that's sitting on the paint, then this is not an ideal solution if you're using an electric pressure washer. Again, if you're using a gas-powered pressure washer, something that has a higher GPM, higher PSI, it should be totally fine. The fact that it comes in that bigger bottle, the fact that it's a wide mouth, brass fitting on top, but it also has the plastic threads inside. I'll link the video I just did about this if you guys are just coming across this video. I'll link the one that I did on this, like the whole breakdown of this thing, right up here, and you guys can check that out. But I appreciate the person who commented down below in the last video stating, because you are right, the top of this thing shows plus sign pointing to the left. So you would think that you need to tighten it down all the way to the left. However, to get the maximum amount of foam, it is still crank it all the way down to the right. What would that be? Clockwise. But it's still not a great amount of foam. Again, it'll do the job. It gets good coverage. It's just not sticking to the panel super well. So that's it, guys. Just a Just a quick one for you today. Like I said, I posted that video earlier. I saw the comment and I was like, oh no, like if I messed up on that, I feel terrible. So I wanted to test that out. Here's the test, same thing, and tighten it all the way down to the right to get more foam out of this thing than all the way to the left. All right, guys, that's it. Hope that helps. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications, and we'll see you on the next one.